Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set the date and time manually on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So for that you need to open the system settings. You can open the system settings by clicking on the system settings icon on your dock. If you don't see the system settings icon on the dock, just click on this Apple logo and then click on system settings option here. And it's going to open the system settings. Now in the system settings, you need to click on the general settings option. So just click on general and then click on date and time here. And then you will be able to see this section here. So as you can see in my case, set time and date automatically is selected, and on most of the Mac operating system, this option is selected automatically. That means the date and time is set automatically, so you don't need to do this. But if you want to change it manually, you just need to toggle this toggle button and untoggle this, and for that you need to unlock your Mac operating system. So just give your password which you use to log into your Mac operating system, which is going to untoggle this toggle button, and then this option enables, which is for setting the date and time manually. So I can click on this option, and from here you can set the date and time manually, right? So this is how you can set date and time on your MacBook. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.